By the end of this section, you should be able to create something like this, where you have your toggle button on and off like this, switching this to this with just a button, on and off like this. If you want to learn something like this, join us in this video. Once again, my name is Emmanuel Omotolase. I'm a creative designer. If you're a new subscribers, please subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you are the best. All we do on this channel is to teach you on how to be a creative designer from scratch to perfection. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, create a new file on your Figma, and you're going to have something like this. Press your F on your keyboard to create a frame, and this frame, we're going to make this frame 50 by 25. 50 by 25, and you have your button. Give it a radius of 15. Nice. Change the fill color over here. Change the fill color to 005D 5D FF. Nice. Now come inside. Let's have a circle by pressing your O. Press your O to create a circle, and I'm going to give this 15 by 15. 15 by 15. Put your O around here. Nicely done. And I'm going to change this to on. Now duplicate the frame over here to have our off, and I'm going to align this and call this off. Bring your circle from here, bring it around here. Nicely done. And change the color of your fill. Change the color to A6A9 BE A6A9 BE. Nice. Align these two and convert to create component sets. Now, if you look at what you have in here, you see we're having property. Change the property to button. Change the property to button. Nice. Nice. Now we're going to come down here, go to your assets, and if you bring in a button here, you will see we're having this nice toggle button which is on and off, on and off, on and off. Nice. Now you can see now that easily you can, with your toggle button, you can have the active and you can also have the unactive. You have your on and off easily. I don't want this session to be too long. The next session, because I don't want it to be confusing, the next session I'm going to show you on how to add more attributes to this button. I'm going to show you on how to add more attributes to this button.